Hello, I am Rodan from Stimulsoft, and today I will tell you how to change dashboard position. Previously, you could stretch a dashboard to the entire area of the viewer by height and width. Create or open a dashboard. Click the preview to show the dashboard. The dashboard is stretched to the entire area of the viewer, but you may extend it only by the width or not to stretch it at all. Double-click the workspace or select the design command from the dashboard context menu to call the dashboard settings. Set the center, the left, the right value to content alignment parameter if your dashboard is not stretched. Set the stretch X value to content alignment parameter if the dashboard is stretched by XX. Pay attention to the dashboard is kept aspect ratio. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe please to our channel. If you have any questions, leave comments on this video. Goodbye.